Hi, I'm Rache Moore and I'm the founder of Rainbow Tribe in Sydney, and I would love to share a testimonial for my friend and my colleague Anick Patry. I've had the pleasure of knowing Anick for many, many years and have always seen her as a completely unique and radiant woman, very different and really owning exactly who she is, and this is what she teaches, and I truly believe that we should teach that which we know best. And I recently did a collaborative retreat with Anick in the Blue Mountains and got to experience firsthand Anick in her element, and she led an incredible and really potent voice activation workshop for 24 of us, and she really speaks her truth, and this is what she shares, and this is what she awakens in others, is teaching people how to connect to their truth and then how to articulate it. And it's a very, really, in my opinion, one of the most important and powerful skills that we can develop is learning how to channel our voice and really speak it gracefully, but also with power. And just the first time you meet Anick, you can really feel that that's what she's about. She doesn't just speak from here; she speaks from the depths of her souls, and that's something you can tell immediately when you meet this beautiful woman. So I recommend Anick to anyone who is looking to find their inner voice, to activate their voice, to become more empowered by using their voice and speaking their truth.